Welcome to the assembly guide for NEXA 3-in-1 manufacturing by Toysphere. Box include main body, front wheel complete, handle, footrest, seat, flute pipe, movement wire, complete hand rest, canopy, rear wheels, parental handle pipe, blowing handle, wheels cap, water bottle, headrest, hardware. Insert the axle into the wheel. Attach the wheels to the main body by pressing the button on the frame both side. Cover both wheels with the wheel covers. Insert the front fork into the main body. Insert the handle into the fork as shown. Secure the handle and the fork by tightening the handle lock. Insert the flute pipe as shown. Attach the flute pipe ring with the help of a screw. Secure the movement wire in the fork. Adjust the rear end of the movement wire with a nit. Place the seat onto the frame. Secure the seat using a nut. Attach the footrest as shown and tighten it with a nut and bolt. Align the hole of headrest with headrest frame hole. Fix headrest using nut bolt. Insert headrest into the main frame, lock it with lock button. Place the water bottle on the rear side of the bottle holder. Securely insert the canopy into the pipe. Secure blowing handle to the parental pipe using nut bolt. Insert the parental pipe into the flute pipe. Tighten the parental pipe with a bolt.